In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on DNSSEC GoDaddy domain. DNSSEC adds an extra layer of security to your domain by digitally signing your DNS records. This helps protect your visitors from spoofing and cache poisoning, and it's a great best practice once your DNS is stable. Start by opening your web browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website and sign into your account. After you're in, look to the top right and open the menu under your account or username. From there, go to My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists all the domains in your account. Find the domain you want to secure. If you manage multiple domains, use the search or filters to locate it quickly. Once you've identified the right domain, open its settings and look for the option to manage DNS. Click DNS to open the DNS management page for that specific domain. On the DNS management screen, you'll see different tabs and sections for your records. Locate the DNSSEC section or tab. Go ahead and open it. This is where you control DNSSEC for the selected domain. Next, choose the option to turn on DNSSEC. When you enable it with GoDaddy's default DNS, GoDaddy will automatically generate and manage the necessary keys behind the scenes. This makes the process straightforward because you don't have to create DS records manually or paste any key material yourself. After turning it on, click Save to confirm your changes. You should see a confirmation message or a status indicator that DNSSEC is enabled. If you don't see an immediate confirmation, give the page a moment and refresh. Changes like this can take some time to reflect across systems. A few helpful tips as you do this. DNSSEC typically works seamlessly if your domain is using GoDaddy name servers and GoDaddy managed DNS. If your domain points to custom name servers or a third-party DNS provider, the toggle might be unavailable, or you may be asked to add DS records from that provider instead. In that case, check with your DNS host for the exact DS details. Also, make sure your existing DNS records are correct before you enable DNSSEC. DNSSEC validates what's already there, so having accurate APA, and TNAME records helps avoid resolution issues. Finally, allow some time for propagation. It may be visible in minutes, but full validation on recursive resolvers can take longer. That's it. Your domain is now protected by DNSSEC, giving your visitors added assurance that they're reaching the genuine version of your site.